Image refers to the background image of the widget. Draw type refers to the display type of the background image. The following is a rough display effect for reference. You can design your own pictures as background images and insert them into UI projects. Gauge pointer. Same with gauge widget. The image here refers to the background image of the widget. Anchor X and Y refer to the coordinate anchor point, based on the widget's W and H. An angle is the tilt angle of the pointer relative to the vertical direction of the anchor point. In addition, the coordinates can also be in pixels. Users can choose according to their needs. Gauge point can also be used alone, but there may be deviations between the coordinate anchor point and the starting position of the tilt angle. Please pay attention to fine-tuning according to the actual display on the screen. Time clock. Center image is the background image of the center point. Users can design their own images for center image. At the same time, users should note that the position of center image is fixed. Dial image is the background image of the dial. Hour image, minute image, second image correspond to the background images of the three hands of the clock. The corresponding anchor XY corresponds to the coordinate anchor point of each pointer. This also supports calculation in pixels. I'll change some data randomly and you can see the effect. If you want to design your own images, please make sure that the image itself matches the anchor points and coordinates. If you set it back to the default setting, you can see that this is a more familiar clock. Next is the digital clock. The main thing to introduce about the digital clock is the format. There are different formats here, which can be arranged and combined in different ways. Users can refer to the explanation in the user manual to customize it. For example, the uppercase Y, M, D and the lowercase h, M, S, W represent the year, month, day, hour, minute, second and week respectively. If you want to display the week in uppercase, you can capitalize W. The time on the digital clock in STONE Designer is displayed based on the computer's own time. Here's the display effect of uppercase W and lowercase w on the digital clock. Tuesday changed from Tuesday to the number 2, and both can exist at the same time. Users can also add spaces and symbols in the format to distinguish between date and time. It is necessary to ensure that the symbols are legal to avoid translation errors during the development process.